NVIDIA released a War Foundation model, and ComfyUI officially supported it, allowing direct use after updating to the latest version. So this model has two versions, one with 7 billion parameters and another with 14 billion. In terms of performance, when using ComfyUI, it generates video from text. It uses an independent clip loader, an independent VAE, and an independent UNet, all of which need to be downloaded separately.
The process is the official procedure. In the end, I changed it to merge into a video, navigate to Running Hardware AI, or click a link in the description to register, which will give you 1,1200 gigabytes and 100 points each day upon login. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.
So the biggest feature of this model is not just that the videos look realistic, but also that they follow real-world physical laws. You can see here that it clearly states how to accelerate the development of physical AI. It is a model focused on research orientation. Although that's true, I still find it very interesting to see certain things being created. Especially the background character walking, I think is very coherent. There is a 7B model and a 14B model here. The 14B model requires more memory, but the 7B model should work fine with 16 gigabytes of memory. You can give it a try if you're interested. This is the official update address for the testing workflow. Here we can also see that in addition to generating content from text to the world, we can also generate content from images to the world. It describes some text and provides an image as the first frame. To predict the next 120 frames, so the maximum frame limit here is 121. The model link will also be placed in the workflow. Oh, the last sentence. ComfyUI currently only supports Cosmos's text-to-video model, but if it also supports image-to-video models, I think there's still huge potential. Recommend the excellent SD community LibLibAI, which has a rich collection of models and ComfyUI workflow resources. It doesn't require local computing power, supports online execution, and runs at lightning speed.
So most of the time, this channel shares some open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models, such as V2, Keling, and Wanxiang. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.